In this video, you learn how to connect your Facebook page to Instagram. So let's get started. First off, open up your Instagram app. Connecting it through the Instagram app is the fastest and easiest way to do this. So once you're inside your Instagram app, you have to navigate to your user profile. Go to the bottom right and click on your profile picture. And right now, as you can see right here, I'm having a business account on Instagram. It's not possible to connect a Facebook page to a personal account, so you have to use a business account to connect your Facebook page. Now you have to click on Edit Profile. You have to go to the bottom and there you'll see Page, Connect or Create. Click on it. Here it'll say Connect or Create a Facebook page, so we can click on Continue. Here you have to log into the Facebook account that's connected to your Facebook page. So let's do that. Here it will ask you if you want to use your personal Facebook account or you want to use another Facebook account to log into your Facebook page. We'll just click on Continue. Here you can choose the Facebook page you want to connect to your Instagram account. So we'll choose the Howpedia Facebook page. Click on Connect. And there you go. Your Facebook page is now connected to your Instagram account. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.